Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Today I'll be making chicken stir fry with Turkish bread. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. The Turkish bread that I buy in the store is normally much larger than the ones I'm going to make today. It is a soft bread made from a dough. Instead of baking, it is fried. It's a cross between boiled and fried dumpling, and it's very nice. Enjoy it, especially with a lot of vegetables and very little meat. Now I'm going to show you the way I usually make it for my family. And it's a way to get a lot of vegetables in. Here in my bowl I have a large chicken breast, and I've started dicing it, so I'll continue after this. In this bowl I have mixed pepper, bell peppers or sweet pepper we call them, some julienne carrots, some we call string bean or green beans cut in small pieces, and here I have white and red onion with some tomato. Now I've already started cutting in strips. I did say dice, but you can choose to dice or cut in strips. So I'm going to continue cutting. Do some thin strips or chunks, and for this dish you don't need a lot of meat, you know. This is a medium-sized breast. It's best to slice it when it's half frozen, makes it easier. Now it's time to rinse it and season. Giving it a quick rinse. Remember, it was washed before, just rinse it off and then get ready to season. Now we're going to season. And now remember, you season the way you like. Now I'm using some garlic powder, some all-purpose, which is my salt, some onion powder. Then I have here some jerk, black pepper and some all-purpose. You know how we do it already. Mix to get one consistent blend. And then I'm going to season. And then before, I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil so that the season spreads easily. A little olive oil. Just a little. Now we're going to put it away for about 15 to 20 minutes while we get on to make our fried bread. Now for my fried bread, my dough has already doubled in size, and I'm going to now make individual flatbread. This is regular dough mixture with yeast. You will not get the same texture if you use baking powder. I don't want large ones. This size is perfect for what I'm doing. You can make them larger if you want. I'm making some small balls, and I'm going to allow them to rise for another 15 minutes before I start rolling and frying. The dough at this point is going to be a bit soft and sticky, so you need to flour the surface properly and even the rolling pin. I'm rolling to about a 1/4 inch thick. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little oil in the pan. We don't want a lot. We just want enough to prevent the dough from sticking. Notice, when I press down, the dough starts rising and it allows the middle to cook. A minute and a half on each side, but test to see if you want it darker than this. But make sure the inside is cooked. So it will take about 3 minutes. You can make it much bigger and then cut it. In my bowl I have some olive oil with a little butter, garlic butter, and then I've added a little bit more garlic to it. And this is what we're going to use to paint the dough. At this stage, we brush with our mixture. Now that the bread is done, let's begin our stir fry. I'm adding a teaspoon of corn flour, or cornstarch as we call it, to prevent it from sticking when you put it in the oil. Just that. And now it's time. We're going to put the oil on and then we start cooking. Now I have about 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and I'm going to start frying the meat. Carefully separating them, or you'll just have clumps of meat, yeah? Now for my sauce I'll be making, and I'll be just adding a range of sauce that I have in my cupboard. Here I have 2 tablespoons of garlic chili sauce, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey to it because it's going to be tangy and I don't want that. So a tablespoon of each. And these sauce, most of these sauces are spice. That's about it. This is about it. We don't want anything more. I don't want more than this. This is just a combined vegetable and meat together. Adding a tablespoon, of ketchup. Now the meat is cooked. I'm taking it out to get the vegetables cooked. To the oil that is left in the pot, I'm going to add some garlic and ginger paste so that I can get my vegetables start cooking. So I'm going to slightly fry this. To this, I'm adding my carrots. To make your meal quick and easy, it's best if you blanch your vegetables, like what I did with my green beans, because I know it will take a little while to cook. So we blanch and add it. That cuts down cooking time. Your stove must be on high at this point. Now at this point, I'm going to add my tomato, onion and onion. At this point, I'm adding the bell peppers. Give it about 3 minutes to soften up, and then we add our chicken. Now it's time to add our chicken, and we're not going to add salt yet until we have added the sauce. So, because we don't know if the sauce is salty, so let's add our chicken, then we add our sauce, And then we decide whether or not we want to season some more. Now at this point, we're going to add our sauce. Sprinkle it around. Now you can create whatever sauce you like. You just create your own sauce. You don't have to buy anything. I just combine everything I had in my cupboard. After we've combined the sauces on all the meat and vegetables, we can turn our stove off and our meal will be done. When we make the bread this small, you're able to make individual wraps, and that's what I want. You can make them much bigger, tear them, and eat it the way you like. But making individual wraps, I do enjoy. Here we have it. Turkish bread with chicken stir fry. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.